Hi, my name's Tom. I'm in my laundry room. It has kind of a bubbly theme, as you can see, kind of a soap bubble theme. We have decals on the wall, and I've just gone ahead and replaced the old light fixture I had. The light fixture I had here was just kind of a two bulb, 60-watt old bulb with a frosted globe. It was cracked. It was just garbage. So I took it down and I went ahead and put up a new LED light fixture, a Vikaey 4-ring LED light fixture. And you can see what it looks like. There it is. It looks pretty nice. It's modern. I'll show you what it looks like turned on in a second. It's about 16 inches across by about 22 inches this way, the longer way. This is a 4-light version. This is the 4-ring version. There's also a, I think 6-ring and an 8-ring version. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you're going to see how bright it is. Here we go. Boom, it almost blows out the camera there. It is really, really bright. My laundry room is about 8 by 8, maybe 9 by 9. It is plenty bright. It's a nice bright white light. It's a little bit on the cooler side. You can go ahead and check the listing for the exact measurement. But I love it. It just lives nice and bright, and it brings the whole bubbly theme into the thing. I can see everything in this laundry room. It just works really, really well. I no longer have to look at spots or try to squint to see things. It is very, very bright. I can see things much better than before. It is definitely brighter than two 60-watt bulbs that were sitting up there before. Again, just nice, bright, cheerful light. I really enjoy this. Let me go ahead and talk about installation. Installation is pretty straightforward. Once you take out your old fixture and you go ahead and you have your just kind of your empty outlet there, you're going to go ahead and put a metal plate up. That metal plate's going to have 4 wings on it. You're going to run the wires through, and then you're going to go ahead and assemble the whole light fixture itself. It's a little tricky to assemble. I will tell you this, it comes with a couple different things. It does come with instructions. The instructions are light. It kind of gives you the basic idea of it. You will have to kind of figure it out. It's not too bad. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your 4 rings, you're going to screw all 4 rings into the white metal base there at the bottom, this metal base, and then you're going to go ahead and take the wires and connect them all to an actual, like a little a plastic connector, and then that has a white and a black wire, and that then connects into the ceiling, and then you slip the whole thing on. There's a little screw in there. You slip the whole thing on and just kind of slide it on. It goes on pretty easily. You do also get a little tiny wrench, by the way, a little tiny wrench. If you have your own wrench or your own pair of pliers or something, use that instead to kind of tighten everything up. These rings, by the way, you could loosen the rings up and you can kind of move them around a little bit if you wanted something a little more artsy. Like right now, my rings are all pretty even. But if you wanted to kind of move these 2 little rings around, that's fine. The 2 bigger rings have 2 posts, so they can't move as much. But you get the idea. You have a little bit of movement there. It's okay. I'm going to keep it pretty even. But it looks good. Installation, once you figure it out, it's pretty straightforward. Not hard, just like a regular, any kind of lamp you got to install. You may want to have a step ladder. You may want to have a friend kind of help you out with it if you're unsure. But it's not terribly difficult. No more than any other ceiling light that you actually put up. It's not very light or not very heavy. It's actually pretty light, so it does go up fairly easily. And there we go. Overall, yes, it's a nice bright light. It is not dimmable. It's just bright, but it works really well, and I highly recommend it.